Turtle Beach has been a trusted name in gaming headsets for years, and if you're thinking about getting one, there are a few things you should know before making your purchase. Whether you're after better sound, comfort, or competitive edge, Turtle Beach headsets offer a lot, but they're not without some competition. Stick around till the end because I'll give you the inside scoop on what sets them apart from others and how to get the best deal. Next thing, if you're a serious gamer, the sound quality of your headset is probably at the top of your list, and Turtle Beach doesn't disappoint here. Compared to brands like SteelSeries or Razer, Turtle Beach headsets have earned a reputation for delivering solid, immersive audio with clear highs and deep lows. Whether you're playing an FPS or an open-world RPG, you'll notice the detail in the sound design and in competitive games that can be the difference between spotting an enemy or missing them entirely. Now, the comfort factor is something that a lot of users mention. Turtle Beach has made strides over the years with improved padding and ear cups that provide a snug fit without too much pressure. While some brands go for a super lightweight feel, Turtle Beach offers a slightly bulkier design that feels premium and secure. If you're planning to game for hours, this level of comfort can make a significant difference. On the flip side, some might feel it's a little too bulky compared to other sleek options out there, so consider what suits you best. The third thing you need to know is about the microphone quality. If you've ever tried a headset with a flimsy mic, you know how much of a deal breaker that can be. Turtle Beach mics are generally regarded as some of the best in the industry, offering crystal clear voice communication. Whether you're streaming, chatting with friends, or talking strategy in a competitive game, you'll find that your voice comes through loud and clear. Some competitors in the same price range, like Logitech, have struggled with clarity, but Turtle Beach generally delivers here. Next thing, let's talk about price. One of the biggest selling points of Turtle Beach headsets is their affordability. When compared to premium options like SteelSeries Arctis Pro or the Razer Kraken Ultimate, Turtle Beach offers a wide range of options without compromising much on quality. They've managed to keep their headsets accessible while still competing with the more expensive brands on performance. But that doesn't mean there's no room for improvement. If you're after high-end features like wireless connectivity, you'll probably need to go for their higher-end models. The fifth thing to consider is the build quality. While Turtle Beach headsets offer great performance, they don't always match up to the premium build of other top-tier brands. The plastic build, especially in some of their lower-end models, can feel a little flimsy. But on the other hand, the construction is durable enough for casual gaming, so this may not be a deal breaker unless you're looking for something that feels extra rugged. The sixth thing is the software customization. If you're big on tweaking your headset settings to get the perfect sound profile, Turtle Beach offers the ability to fine-tune your experience through their Audio Hub software. This lets you adjust sound settings, enable surround sound, and even tweak mic sensitivity. Some other headsets, like the SteelSeries Arctis, might offer better customization options, but for most gamers, Turtle Beach's setup will more than suffice. And lastly, when it comes to durability, Turtle Beach headsets hold up fairly well, but again, the build can vary across models. If you're after something that lasts through intense use, going for a more premium option within their lineup is recommended. Still, considering the price point, the durability is generally in line with expectations, making it a solid choice for the casual to mid-level gamer. So, if you're looking to try out a Turtle Beach headset, make sure to click the first link in the description to get the best offer and even a free trial to see if it's right for you. That's your chance to test out the sound, comfort, and overall performance of these headsets with some exclusive benefits.